On the next episode of the Self-Publishing Tips and Tricks Show, meet multi-genre author of 12 works, Shanti Hershenson, and learn how she published her first book at the age of 11 and how she balances school, family, friends, writing, and publishing.
Are you comfortable discussing any publishing missteps or things you would have liked to have done differently?
Oh yeah. Honestly, I cannot stress it enough. Check your files before you put them online, please. When I was publishing The Nightmare of Zao Delane, I hadn't published for around a year, and I had no clue what I was doing at all. I vaguely remembered how to use KDP. I'd kind of uploaded some practice books just to get practice, but with the files, I uploaded the wrong file and pressed publish probably 3 times. And maybe upload your book in advance, please. I had to keep announcing on Instagram, like, hey guys, so don't buy the book yet. I'm gonna delay the release for a few days. Yes, it's on Amazon, but don't buy it. There's things wrong with it. I mean, one of them, I literally uploaded the first draft. Like, it was bad.
Come join us for this YouTube premiere of her interview this Thursday, December 1st, 2022 at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.